Could Apple's Game Center be reborn as a gaming super hub? WWDC 2025 might unveil a new way to game on your iPhone and iPad. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this rumored update and Apple's big moves in gaming. Stick around. This could level up your Apple Arcade experience. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gaming, and Apple innovation. Apple's gearing up for WWDC 2025, June 5th till 10th, and leaks suggest they're replacing Game Center with a new gaming hub. Plus, they just acquired Sneaky Sasquatch developer RAC7. Let's unpack what this means for iPhone and iPad gamers. The new hub, expected in iOS 19, will make finding and playing games easier, spotlighting Apple Arcade and App Store titles. Unlike Game Center, which faded after 2016, this hub focuses on discovery and community, bringing back social gaming vibes with a modern twist. Apple's also boosting Apple Arcade by acquiring RAC7, the Canadian studio behind Sneaky Sasquatch, a quirky hit where you play a sneaky raccoon. Sources say this isn't a major shift, but it's a sign that Apple's growing its game library with fan-favorite titles. Why is this big? The hub could make Apple Arcade a go-to for mobile gaming, especially with Nintendo Switch 2 launching days before WWDC. Expos are buzzing. Gamers want a seamless social experience. With iOS 19's rumored AI upgrades, this hub could be a game changer. From a slick new hub to sneaky Sasquatch sequels, Apple's doubling down on gaming. Get ready for WWDC 2025 to see it all unveiled. GadInsider fam, are you hyped for Apple's gaming hub or sneaky Sasquatch on Apple Arcade? Drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.